To link your Instagram account to a Facebook page, first, make sure you have admin privileges on the page you want to connect. Open the Facebook app, tap on your profile picture at the top, and go to Settings. In the search bar, type Page Status and tap on it, then select Manage Admins to check your permissions. Next, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then select Edit Profile. In the account information section, choose the linked page and tap Continue. Then log into Facebook, select the page you want to connect, and tap Connect to ensure the linking process is successful. Before posting any content on Instagram, make sure to adjust the necessary settings. Go to your profile, tap on the three dots at the top. Select Settings and Privacy, then choose Cross Posting, where you can customize automatic posting settings according to your preferences. For more tech tutorials, don't forget to follow our channel to stay updated with the latest trends.